So today we're taking a walk along the lakeside and we're going to take you through all the restaurants that are right here on Payette Lake. And we're going to start here at the marina. They have hamburgers and fish tacos. It's one of the best places to hang out during the day and watch people back in their boats at one of the most popular boat ramps in McCall. So now we're over here and we're at Chapala, which is a real casual dining Mexican restaurant with a full bar. And then downstairs you have the Den, which serves from breakfast all the way through dinner. So if you're missing Pancake House, you definitely want to check out the Den because it is, I guess big portions similar to like the Pancake House used to be. And then you're also so close that you could really just put your toes right in the sand. So now we're here at the Shore Lodge, and this actually has 3 different restaurants all along the lakeside, right? You've got the Narrows upstairs, which you can see here, and they have a great view that looks out over Payette Lake. You've got Cutwater downstairs. They have outdoor dining and indoor that overlooks Payette Lake. And then you also have the bar upstairs that overlooks Payette Lake and has an outdoor dining area with some fireplaces and things like that upstairs. So we've made it all the way around the lakeside. Now we're kind of coming into the second tier section where it's not directly on the lake, but you still have amazing Payette Lake views. And the first one that we come to is Alpine Pantry. They're open for breakfast and lunch. They have amazing crepes and different styles of Egg Benedict. So if you're looking for a breakfast place with a view of the lake, definitely check out Alpine Pantry. So now that we've come back up along the lakeside, we're here at Rupert's. This is more of like a fine dining place with an extensive wine menu. And they do have Thai Thursdays where they change up the menu and offer some Thai specials. They have a complete outdoor back patio that overlooks Payette Lake and the front seating area with lots of picture windows that overlook Payette Lake. So it's another place with amazing Payette Lake views. So we've made our way around the lake and then we've come back here and we're at the top bar at Salmon River Brewery. It's a brewery with a great view over Payette Lake. Great place to hang out. They have umbrellas to block the sun. It's definitely a must visit on your trip here to McCall. So now we've taken you all over McCall and we've shown you over 9 restaurants that you can eat with great views of Payette Lake. So comment below and let us know which one's your favorite and what you ordered.